Welcome to BioTools, the recognized leader in advanced chiroptical instrumentation, protein structure analyzers, software, and services.
Hello, my name is Laurence Nafie, and I'm currently an Emeritus Distinguished Professor of Chemistry at Syracuse University. I'm also a co-founder and Chief Scientific Officer for BioTools, Inc. BioTools was the first company to commercialize the technique of Vibrational Circular Dichroism, or VCD for short. VCD was discovered in 1974 by Professor George Holsworth at the University of Chicago and confirmed by me, Jack Chang, and Professor Philip Stevens at the University of Southern California in 1975. Since then, VCD has become an established area of molecular spectroscopy and a routine tool for applications such as the determination of absolute configuration of chiral molecules. The market for chiral drugs has seen a substantial increase in the last 2 decades, and knowledge of absolute configuration is one of the required parameters for regulatory approval. VCD has been used for submission as a proof of absolute configuration to regulatory agencies, patent filings, and research literature. The U.S. Pharmacopoeia published a stimuli article. VCD is also used for other applications that include real-time reaction monitoring, quality control, raw material identification of chiral building blocks, and structure elucidation of all types of biologics. VCD is especially sensitive to the formation and development of protein fibrils. BioTools commercialized VCD in 1996 in close collaboration with ABB Bomem in Quebec, Canada, and released the second generation in 2011 as the ChiralIR-2X. To widen the accessibility of the VCD technique, BioTools is proud to introduce MANTIS. MANTIS is a side bench accessory with patented DualPEM technology that seamlessly connects to your existing FTIR. You can now turn your FTIR spectrometer into a powerful instrument capable of measuring spectra that give you structural detail not possible with FTIR alone. MANTIS takes its name from the mantis shrimp, a unique species that can detect and differentiate circularly polarized light. Here we have the inside of the ChiralIR-2X. The heart of the instrument is an FTIR interferometer equipped with cube corner mirrors. The cube corner configuration allows 2 sources to be used at the same time. This dual source patented configuration dramatically increases the signal-to-noise ratio of the VCD measurement. The light emerging from the FTIR is focused by 2 parabolic mirrors and converted to a parallel beam that passes through the DualPEM section of the instrument. The DualPEM technology is patent protected by BioTools to provide higher stability and increased signal-to-noise ratio for the VCD measurement. The light passes through the first PEM, which measures the VCD spectrum plus the baseline, then to the sample cell, which is a standard IR cell, and then on to the second PEM, which measures only the baseline. These 2 signals are subtracted to leave only the VCD spectrum. The light after the second PEM is focused by a zinc selenide lens onto an MCD detector, which is housed in an extra long hold time dewar that holds liquid nitrogen for 24 to 48 hours, permitting overnight scans and longer measurements. After the detector, the signal is pre-amplified and normally sent to a bank of lock-in amplifiers and filters. But in the case of the ChiralIR-2X, the signal is immediately digitized at a very high rate, and all subsequent signal processing is carried out digitally, thus eliminating instrument noise that we normally would have. The software of the ChiralIR-2X is extremely easy to use. There's a menu-driven set of instructions that has very minimal input required, and you always simultaneously measure the IR spectrum and the VCD spectrum without having to go back and forth between the two measurements. Okay, now let's take a look inside the new MANTIS FTIR-VCD accessory. It attaches to either the ChiralIR-2X or to any FTIR spectrometer. The inside of the MANTIS is a patented DualPEM configuration. The DualPEM is important for subtraction of birefringence in the optics of the spectrometer, and it provides baseline stability in measurements. It is also critical for the measurement of the VCD of solids. MANTIS also has a liquid nitrogen dewar with a 24 to 48 hour hold time. And finally, MANTIS comes with ChiralIR-2X independent software. Okay, this is the same DualPEM technology in the ChiralIR-2X, and the sample cell fits in between the two PEMs. To learn more about VCD technology, the ChiralIR-2X or the new MANTIS accessories, please contact my colleagues at BioTools. Thank you.